Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I will be showing you all about the rank survey element in Titan Web. So in this example, our users will be filling out a survey. First, they will type in their first and last name. Then they will have a one-question survey using our rank survey tool. And then they will finish the survey. And this will create the contact in Salesforce and also push the values that they submitted in that ranked survey question. So let's start by adding in the ranked survey element. We're going to go to the plus sign, go to survey. Here are all of our survey elements that are available on Titan Web. Today we'll be using the ranked element. We can go ahead and give it a label. All right. Then we can edit mapping. This will be the labels for all the elements that you want, or all the items that you want your users to rank. So for me, I have some fields in Salesforce to rank service, to rank the food, and to rank the atmosphere. And this will come in as a numeric value. So make sure that the field that you have in Salesforce is numeric for however many labels you have. And the values could be the same as the labels on this item. All right, cool. Let's click apply. Now let's style this element so that it fits our configuration more. So I clicked on this button here. The root is generally like all of the elements about the element. I'm gonna change this, make it bold, make the font like a lot bigger than that. Cool. That's not what I wanted to do. Nice. Now let's go to label. We can change, this is like the label at the top. So I'm gonna make it italic. And I also want to give it a margin at the bottom so that there's a little bit of a space. So I'm gonna do 50, maybe 40. Yeah, that looks good. Then on the item, this is all the items here. I am going to give it a fill. Yeah, this one looks good. And I'm also going to put a margin here. That looks pretty good, maybe 20. Oh, wow, that's a lot. I'll go back to 25. Okay, so now that our element is fitting our website very nicely, we can now map the push. So I'm going to go into the settings wheel, go to Salesforce, click on push, create new. For me, this survey is going to be stored on the contact record, but however you configure it in Salesforce, make sure that you push it there as well to those fields. All right, let's go to the mapping. On this column here, we have all of the Salesforce fields for the object that I specified, which is contact. And then we have the option to map them to elements in our project. You can also just choose start with elements, and this will give you all the elements in the project, and then you have the option to map it to a Salesforce field. So I'm going to do it this way. So our first name field, that will be mapped to first name. Our last name will be mapped to last name. And then here you can see this is our ranked, and then this one is for service. So I'm going to map this to ranked service. That's the field title in Salesforce. This one is food, and this one is atmosphere. All right, so I'm going to click apply, close, and now because the survey is taking place in a stepper in my example, I'm going to configure the on finish action and just assign that Salesforce action. All right, we can click apply, save, and let's preview this. Okay, so our users can either choose to order their elements like this, or they can drag and drop them here, like that. So I'm going to position them so that the atmosphere was my favorite, then the service was my favorite, and then food was my least favorite. All right, now we can go to finish. Now this is creating that contact and mapping those fields. Let's go into our integration log, and we can see our contact was created. There we have it, Tina Garfield. And we can see that atmosphere was first, service was second, and ranked food was third. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoy using all Titan Survey elements in your Titan Web projects. Thank you for watching.